Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix text-to-speech on TikTok. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Text-to-speech is another tool that TikTok users may utilize to spice up their videos. There was no built-in function for text-to-speech before, but it was nevertheless included to the app due to its widespread use. So in order to fix text-to-speech which is not working on your TikTok account is quite easy. All you need to do is to follow the simple instructions I'm gonna show you. First things first, you need to go ahead and check if you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Make sure to switch between your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, or you can also try turning off your Wi-Fi for a second and turn it on back again, and once you are connected, go back to your TikTok app and see if that fixes the issue. Sometimes just a minor thing like that might fix your TikTok text-to-speech feature not working. Another thing to do is to update your TikTok application. Simply go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and go to the search box and search for TikTok. Once you make your search, if there is an update button popping up right next to your TikTok app, simply tap on the update button in order to download the latest update. Once you have the latest updates downloaded on your mobile device, simply open up the app and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to report the problem to TikTok support. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner from your main homepage, and from your profile page, tap on the horizontal line at the top right. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down until you see Report a Problem option under Support. Give it a tap to open, and under Topics, select Videos and Sounds. Tap on Other from the sub-menu. On the next page, tap on Need More Help. State the problem that you are facing with the text-to-speech feature on TikTok in the text boxes, and tap on the Submit button at the bottom. After you are done, once you report about the problem, you'll hear from the team and soon enough the problem will be solved. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try out if your text-to-speech on TikTok is not working. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.